Imagine you are very poor. Your family is struggling. You have not paid your rent. You have barely enough food for the week. Then one morning, you find something on the ground, something very valuable, something that could solve all your problems in one moment. And nobody is watching. Nobody will ever know if you keep it. What do you do? This is not a simple question, and today's story shows us that the answer you choose in that moment says everything about who you truly are. Welcome back to Learn English with Stories. So happy to have you here. Today you will hear a story that will make you think deeply, learn 5 new English vocabulary words, and practice 5 sentences out loud. Let us begin. On the edge of a wide blue ocean, there lived a fisherman named Idris. Idris was a simple man. He woke up before the sun every morning, took his small wooden boat out to sea, and fished until the afternoon. Some days he caught a lot. Other days he came home with almost nothing. Life was not easy for Idris. He had a wife, 2 young children, and an old mother who lived with them. Their house had a leaking roof. Their boat needed repairs. Every month, paying the rent was a struggle. But Idris never complained. He would say to his wife, "We have each other, and we have the sea. That is enough for today." One morning, Idris arrived at the beach very early. The sky was still dark. The tide had just gone out, leaving the wet sand behind. As Idris walked toward his boat, his foot hit something hard in the sand. He bent down and picked it up. It was a watch. But not just any watch. It was a beautiful, heavy, golden watch. Even in the dim, early light, Idris could see that it was expensive. The kind of watch that only very wealthy men wore. He turned it over in his hands. On the back, there were words engraved in small letters. They said, "To my father, with all my love." Idris stood very still on that dark beach for a long time. He knew exactly what this watch was worth. He could sell it in the city market and get enough money to repair the boat, fix the roof, and pay 6 months of rent. All of it. Gone. Solved. In one morning. Nobody was on the beach. Nobody had seen him find it. He could simply put it in his pocket and walk away. And the temptation was strong. Very strong. He closed his fingers around the watch. He took 2 steps toward his boat. Then he stopped. He opened his hand and looked at the words again. "To my father, with all my love." He thought about his own children. He thought about what he would feel if he lost something they had given him with love. He thought about the person somewhere out there waking up this morning and reaching for their wrist and finding it empty. His conscience would not let him move. He walked back up the beach to the road. He found a small tea shop that was just opening. He showed the watch to the shopkeeper and asked if anyone had come looking for a lost watch. The shopkeeper shook his head. Idris left his name and the name of his village and asked the shopkeeper to send anyone who came looking straight to him. Then he went out to sea and fished. He caught very little that day. He came home tired and quiet. His wife noticed and asked what was wrong. He told her about the watch. She was quiet for a moment. Then she held his hand and said, "You did the right thing." 3 days passed, then 4, then a week. Idris had almost stopped thinking about it when a large black car pulled up outside his small house. A well-dressed man stepped out. He was perhaps 50 years old, with tired eyes and a worried face. He knocked on the door. When Idris opened it, the man held up a photograph of the watch and said, "I was told you found this." Idris went inside and came back with the watch. He placed it in the man's hands without a word. The man stared at the watch for a long moment. Then he looked up at Idris. His eyes were wet. He said, "This watch belonged to my father. He gave it to me the day before he passed away. I lost it on the beach last week during my morning walk. I thought it was gone forever." He reached into his coat and pulled out an envelope. He said, "Please, let me give you something." Idris shook his head. "I did not return it for a reward. I returned it because it was not mine." The man looked at Idris carefully, the way you look at someone you want to remember. Then he said, "I own a fishing company in the city. I have been looking for an honest manager for 2 years, someone I can trust completely. Would you be willing to come and speak with me?" Idris did not know what to say. He looked at his wife standing in the doorway. She nodded quietly. 6 weeks later, Idris moved his family to the city. He became the manager of the fishing company. The leaking roof was repaired. The children went to a good school. His old mother finally had a warm room. And every morning before work, Idris would stand by the window and look out at the sea. He would think about that dark beach, that heavy golden watch, and the 2 steps he had taken before stopping. 2 steps toward the wrong choice, and then a whole life in the right direction. Now, let us learn 5 important words from today's story. Word number 1, temptation. Temptation is a noun. It means a strong feeling that makes you want to do something, even when you know it might be wrong. Idris felt a strong temptation to keep the watch. We all face temptation in life. The question is what we choose to do with it. Say it with me. Temptation. Word number 2, conscience. Conscience is a noun. It is the inner voice inside you that tells you what is right and what is wrong. Idris listened to his conscience on that dark beach. A person with a strong conscience chooses honesty, even when no one is watching. Say it. Conscience. Word number 3, engrave. Engrave is a verb. It means to cut words or a design into a hard surface like metal, wood, or stone. The words on the back of the watch were engraved in small letters. Say it. Engrave. Word number 4, integrity. Integrity is a noun. It means the quality of always being honest and doing what is right, even when it is difficult. Idris showed great integrity by returning the watch. Integrity is doing the right thing, even when nobody is watching. Say it. Integrity. Word number 5, reward. Reward is a noun and also a verb. It means something good that you receive because of a good action or hard work. The man tried to give Idris a reward for returning the watch, but Idris refused. Say it. Reward. Let us say all 5 words one more time. Temptation, conscience, engrave, integrity, reward. You are doing beautifully. These are powerful words for your English journey. Now, let us practice your English speaking. I will say each sentence, then you repeat it out loud after me. Say it clearly, say it with confidence, and say it like you mean it. Ready? Let us go. Sentence number 1. Always do the right thing, even when no one is watching. Repeat after me. Always do the right thing, even when no one is watching. Very good. Sentence number 2. Your integrity is worth more than anything money can buy. Repeat after me. Your integrity is worth more than anything money can buy. Excellent. Sentence number 3. The choices you make in difficult moments define your true character. Repeat after me. The choices you make in difficult moments define your true character. Wonderful. Sentence number 4. Honesty is the foundation of every great and lasting success. Repeat after me. Honesty is the foundation of every great and lasting success. Brilliant. Sentence number 5. When you do what is right, life has a beautiful way of rewarding you. Repeat after me. When you do what is right, life has a beautiful way of rewarding you. Amazing! You practiced 5 powerful sentences today. These are not just English sentences. They are words to live by. Keep them close. Idris took 2 steps in the wrong direction, and then he stopped. And those 2 steps he did not take changed his entire life. We all face moments like that. Moments where nobody is watching. Moments where the wrong choice is easy and the right choice costs something. In those moments, your conscience is speaking to you. The question is whether you are brave enough to listen. Integrity is not what you do when people are looking. It is what you do when they are not. Thank you so much for watching Learn English with Stories. If today's story touched your heart, please subscribe to this channel right now. Every single week, we bring you a new story that teaches you real English and real-life lessons at the same time. Hit the bell icon so you always know when a new episode is ready. Share this video with a friend who is learning English, or with someone who needs to hear today's message. And I have a question for you. Leave your answer in the comments below. Have you ever faced a moment like Idris did? A moment where you chose honesty when it would have been easy not to? Tell me your story. I would love to read it. A new story is waiting for you on this channel. Click it now. I will see you there.